Maybe they're not very happy here. I mean, they don't have much to swim, to be honest. Oh, this one is big. They're trying to escape, right? They're there for a long time. Let's see. Woo, what is that? These ones are neon. Oh, these these look fun.
Oh, they are called pimpi in Portugal.
Pimpi?
Pimpi. I think. They are in the same aquarium as pimpi. No, these are the pimpi. These are the pimpi. If you look on Google, it's a pimpi.
They look funny.
Are they enjoying it?
I think so. Are you, Chad?
Are you guys enjoying this? Or do you want food? Probably.
It's hard to see.
They are feeding them.
Oh, they're feeding them.
They're feeding.
Look at Chad. They're going crazy over the food. Jesus, the chaos has been installed. Now look at that guy just chilling in the rock. He's waiting for food to fall on his side.
The orange ones are.
Hello, Timmy.
Look at these. It's like, do I go?
Yeah,
Should
these guys don't swim. They just stay on top of
He
things.
wants to. Oh, look at him looking at the food. Is he going?
Oh, he's not eating.
Maybe it's something else?
Maybe he doesn't like this type of food. Oh, but look at that one. I'm hungry, but I don't want to move. They say the fish that's dumb is like, I'm hungry, but I don't want to move to go.
He's feeding.
Yeah. But all of this is octopus. Chad, there is octopus here. Look.
I see an octopus.
It's gonna be hard to show here. Wait, hold up, Chad. Because there's a lot. You see them breathing?
Yeah, it's hard.
Look at his eyes. That's weird.
It's cool though. And there's another one up there.
There's something here?
I don't think so. It's just about the trash in the ocean. The smallest. Sorry, this is a bit crowded here. We have to wait for our turn. Let's check this out.
They're feeding them.
What is here? I don't see anything here. Hmm? Oh yeah.
There's one on the floor. Yeah, did you see it? He's going for the things. Oh, look at this one on the left. So I can try peeking at this one over here.
Shrimp.
Those are eggs.
Have a look. Oh, there's a crab. Whoa.
Okay. Tira eso.
Do you guys like this?
Ah, en el fondo. Cuando